cost-effective instant electric water heater. The power is 6 kW to 8 kW, 200 to 20 volts to 200 to 40 volts. Smart constant temperature, adjustable temperature up to 55 degrees. When the machine is working with display heat, it means turning on the water. Long press the up key to display inlet temperature. Long press the down key to display water flow. The heater has IPX4 waterproof. Sample room supporting OEM ODM. Authoritative patents and international certification. SGS, TUV, GCC, CE, CB, RoHS, ETL, ERP, Saber, and 3C. Positive reviews from overseas buyers since 2018. Material inspection, production, assembly, semi-finished product testing, finished product testing, bench testing, packaging, transportation simulation.
Instant electric water heater.